Yeah, I just thought that probably it's gonna be making these gigantic files, and even though that was the idea, the whole idea at the very beginning with the Fraps update and all that stuff, considering that I have been recording I don't know for how long on this map, it's probably gonna make a gigantic video. Now wait a second, I did stop the video a couple times, didn't I? Well, anyway, it doesn't matter, I already did it, so fuck that. Maybe I'm supposed to go this way? Yeah. And... hello? So what's waiting for me here? Other than a few hundred monsters teleporting. You know what? Yeah, that works. Okay. Another one. Maybe just one more. Okay, so now let's use this one. Oh, out of ammunition. Not good. Not good. Not good. Cycling weapons. You're gonna die, my friend. There you go. The two. I see some balloons there. Balloon. Another one. Oh, I missed. Hi. Thank you. Okay, so seems this place is clear now. Okay. I'm supposed to go this way? Yeah, it seems. Okay. I could use a restoration. Why not? Some health and armor and all kinds of stuff. Oh, okay. Hello. Yeah. Yep. Okay. I get it. I get it. But you know what? I'm gonna deal with all the... oh yeah, I don't have ammunition for the BFG. Awesome. Then I'm gonna be dying probably, but... yeah, I don't know what to do. Since that my weapon assortment is not that good right now. So I'm going to be exploding just about everybody that I see. Especially this guy, the hit scans are awesome. I can kind of deal with all the other monsters except the hit scan. There are two hit scan. And I seem to be dying, and I didn't use the restoration. Run, whatever. I'll use this, why not? I'll use this. Okay, yeah, not working. I think I'm gonna need some sort of strategy here, like thunderstorm thing, restoration, flights, mana, dice, regeneration, health, drain, that will do. Drain with exploding stuff, yeah, that works. Or so I hope. Let's find out if it actually works. Two. How about we explode to all like this? Exploding is fun. That's right. I'll just keep running and shooting this thing because I can. That's why. That's how I do things. And that works. I'll just explode a little bit more of things around, just because. Just in case anybody's still alive up there. I need more ammunition for that weapon. Okay, it seems that almost everybody's dead. Who else? Come on. Health, why not? And I'm gonna save. It might be a risky move, but it's totally worth it, I suppose. Okay, so let's pick stuff up and kill all the other monsters too. I should have been using this weapon a little more. Holy shit, I agree. I don't know what I'm agreeing with, but yeah, I'm agreeing. I'm agreeing. Oh, stupid bears.
My grandmother
That sounds actually like a postal dude. Huh. Where am I supposed to go now? Yeah, I know, Portal Dude. I know. Thank you. I appreciate your concern. How about we open this door and explode everybody? Does that work? I guess it would if the door wouldn't close. Just saying. I'm just saying. And a little bit of this too. Well, that was a lot of ammunition that I just used right there. And it sounds like there's someone still alive, so... Oh no, he's invulnerable now, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna have to totally snipe on... Give me a second. Alright, so, yeah. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to kill this guy. But I don't seem to be able to. There you go. Yeah, archangels that are like invulnerable and stuff. So, I'll take all this ammunition, thank you. Slot 8, what is it? Oh, it's the death ray. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's a big weapon. I might just pick it up. Slot 8. Okay, why do I have on slot 8? I might drop this. Let me see what. No, I think I'll do better with this one. Yeah, I like that other weapon, but it uses ammunition that I'm gonna be using in different weapons. So, how about no? So. Well, you sure talk a lot, don't you, man? I am saying that. Okay, I was kind of running, but okay. Who's doing that? Really? What the fuck? Where? Who? Where? Oh, I see. Really? Why don't you take this, motherfucker? You too. I don't know if there's anybody there, but still, you too. I hear some infight. I hear a Rochelle going nuts, box. Weapon. Somebody damaged me. Oh, I see. But you sure like to be annoying, don't you? Right there. Okay, I think we're done on that. Okay. Oh, okay. Grenade. Ooh, what the fuck happened there? Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap. Give me one more second once again. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, I heard a cat inside the game because I keep on hearing cats all the time because I have cats. So, okay. Oh yeah, I remember that was a trap. Oh, hello, big monster. You are a big monster. Who's a big monster? You're a big monster. Yeah, you are. How about I explode you? Okay, I was just joking. I'm still gonna explode you, but I just have to be a little bit more effective in doing so. Oh, so there's gonna be several big monsters, isn't it? Again, this weapon. Oh no, it's the same one that I picked. Alright. And that's how you waste ammunition. Not hitting the monsters at all. And that's how you killed yourself too. Yeah, that's... All this is just some sort of... I'm trying to help you understand what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. Okay, so... And die. Okay, yeah, I think this guy is a arc-file kind of monster, because he really can take a lot of punishment. I don't think he can take this much, though. There you go. Okay, and let's check. So I'm assuming there's gonna be a big monster on each one of these. Yep, that's about right. Big monsters all around, and that's okay, I can live with that. I like the idea of facing a lot of big monsters, because I wanted to deal with big monsters. You aren't that big, but you're still kind of dangerous, so that's okay. Oh, sorry to cut you off, Gladys, but I had to switch, so... Let's see. Hello! Come on, Super Finger. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm just trying to check over here. Alright, so what was I doing? I was trying to kill this honorable lady. There we go. So big monsters dead. But I saw there was small doors over here. Hello. Bye bye. Oh, okay, I see what's going on in here. Then I'm going to be doing what I seem to be good at doing, exploding everything. Explosions are the way to go in this game. And bullets, and knives, and plasma, and all kinds of shit that can deal damage. That's pretty much what I do. Oh, no, fuck! Okay, explosives are not a good idea when you have monsters right in front of you, and you shoot right there. So, I'm just gonna try to remember that. But, actually this could work pretty well. If I do it right, this should eradicate a lot of monsters. So long as they actually die. Well, are you immune or something, man? What the fuck? I hope everybody's dead now. Okay, seems that way. Fair enough. Now this shotgun that I have right here, I would like to have 2 of those. It's a very good combo. Well, not a combo, you know what I'm saying. I know Portal Dude, I know Postal Dude. Did that switch just change? Oh, yeah it did.
You know, if you stop touching yourself, that'll clear up.
Alright, thank you man, I'll take that into account. No, I don't think this is a good idea. Okay, give me 1 more second. So, where was I? Other than... Oh yeah, I remember now. I was trying to... Oh yeah, I was gonna use explosives. And, let's see. More ammunition anywhere? Anyone? No? Okay. Let's just go ahead and explode. Oh, okay. Maybe I can't. Not like that. I'll try the other door. They have, my friend. They have several times. But I don't have a problem with that. Everybody's crazy, you know? We all are. Who's doing that? Oh yeah, I actually have some pentagram of protection. I could use that and save all this crazy health that I'm losing. Let's do that. A little bit more, why not? Just a bit more. Just trying to explode everybody here. Oh, maybe I wasn't supposed to take that. But still, I think it's a good idea to save that health, so let's do this again. Yeah, I wonder... I haven't checked for how long I've been playing. I would say by now I've been playing for about 40 minutes. And yeah, I'm probably nowhere near finishing the map, so... Or maybe I am. Well, actually 900 and something monsters kill, it's a fairly good number, I would think, so... I might not be able to finish it in 40... Oh, there's the postal dude! I see you, motherfucker. You know what? Let's have some of this. How's that? Okay, apparently he doesn't like the idea. Okay, that's fine. I can respect that. I can live with that. What I can live with is you being alive for long. I just wish I knew when is he teleporting. I guess he teleports right at the end. I don't know. I'm gonna... What should I do? What should I do? I could... I'm just checking what do I have for weapons. What could I use? What is that? What the fuck? Well, I don't seem to have that much of an option, so I'll continue just exploding everybody. Once again, my friend, they have. Oh, really? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let me kill this motherfucker that just resurrects at the wrong time. There we go. Then let's use this thing here. Continue exploding everybody. Let's use my dice. Invisibility, but I'm weak against fire. Not a big deal, I suppose. Okay, I guess that works. So I'm gonna stay like this. Hello. Come on. You know what? Haha, you're dead, motherfucker. Okay, that worked. Surprisingly, that worked. I wasn't really expecting that would work, but okay. That's fine, that's fine. I appreciate that. So, okay, key, health. Thank you for health. Ammunition. Okay, now I can pick that thing up. Something is gonna open, isn't it? Isn't it? I just know something's gonna open. What's gonna open? Is anything opening? No? Okay, I knew it. That's fine. That's cool. That's. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, this is one of those traps, right? Monsters there. Yeah, I'm just gone now. I don't really know what I want to do. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so I see a few monsters that want to totally kick my ass. And let me just pick everything that I can. And now I have 2 invulnerabilities. That's good. Okay, let's try this. In hopes I don't die right away. Come on, you keep on coming here. Why not? Keep doing that. Seems to be working pretty good. Okay, they died. Oh, they're fighting. What is that? I don't even know what he's fighting. Oh, I know what that is. Sorry, Major Cook, I was always confused with all the crazy stuff that you added for these guys. Oh, motherfucker! You had to do that, right? Dead? Is everybody dead now? I hope you all are. Oh, I see one of those... What did I call it? Silent Wanderer or something like that? Okay, that works. So let's go ahead and see what else do I get over here. Oh yeah, I got the key. I remember. Now I got a key. One weapon. Oh, hello. Hello, big sniper rifle. Well, actually I have a sniper rifle already, so I don't need to have 2. So, I have the key where... Oh, I see. 980 monster skill. That's not bad, I think. Let's see what else I can do over here. That sounded like a shambler. Oh, okay, easy, come on. No need to be an asshole. He's dead now. He should be dying soon. Oh, fuck. Come on, die. Well, you sure can take a lot of damage, can you? There we go. Okay, dead. Drop your weapon, please. Come on, drop your weapon. I want your weapon. Oh, fuck. Who did that? Drop your weapon, I said. Shut the fuck up and drop your weapon. You didn't drop your weapon, motherfucker. Thank you for being an asshole. Okay, so... Okay, now let's go back here and do what I was doing before I was pretty much killed by the title. Seriously, Mr. Leroy Jenkins, you really enjoy doing that, don't you? Yeah, that's not what I want. You keep doing your bullshit, I'm just gonna throw grenades towards you. Really, motherfucker, really. Okay, You know what? I do not have time for this. Fuck. Okay, I think this guy is outside, so I just have to wait for him. There you are. Yeah, this should do. Come on, bring it on. Come on a little closer, come on. There you go, thank you, motherfucker. So now I can continue doing this. Oh, there's another one, right? So you're gonna wait until I'm... Bring it on, bring it on! There you go. Okay, everybody's dead now. Good. Again, more weapons that I don't want, nor I need. Hey, let me just... I'm curious which weapon that is. Oh, then no, I don't want it. Press this thing. Something's gonna lower. And I have this slight suspicion that monsters are gonna be spawning now. That sounded like a big monster. It sounds like I'm... Whoa, hello! Talking about big. Okay, give me 1 second.